Hi, it's Hava at Aaron's Jewish Books in Judaica in the Mahi City of Denver, and I have some handmade copper bowls to show you. These bowls are hammered, so they are going to show the design that way. And they are handmade, so no two are going to be exactly alike. And this is a good example. This one's just a shade bigger than this one. This bowl measures 14 inches across, and this one measures 15 3/4. This bowl is 4.5 inches tall, and this one is 5 1/4 inches tall. This bowl is about 3 pounds, whereas this one is 4 pounds. As I said, because they are handmade and hand hammered, no two are alike. A little bit of variation in size and weight. They're available at Aaron's Jewish Books in Judaica in the Mahi City of Denver, or please check the drop-down menu below for ordering information.